In this video, we will show you how the beecrowd academic screen is organized and explain, in a simple way, the main features of the platform. This will help you navigate more easily and make better use of the available resources. The home screen is divided into 4 main areas. Area 1, Header. Area 2, Left Sidebar Menu. Area 3, Footer. Area 4, Accessibility Panel. Now let's get to know each of these 4 areas in more detail. Area 1, Header, top part of the screen. In the top right icon, you will find the options. Account can be used to access information about your account, such as name, profile, and language. Feedback, access to the feedback form, where you can send suggestions for improvements and report errors. Tutorial, access to the beecrowd academic tutorial with educational videos on how to use the platform. Sign out to log out of the platform. Additionally, by clicking on the country flag icon, you also have the option to change the platform language to Portuguese, English, or Spanish. On the left side of the screen, you will find the navigation trail, also called breadcrumb, which shows the path you have taken through the menus to reach the current screen. This feature helps you understand where you are within the platform and easily return to previous steps. Area 2, Left Sidebar. Menu. This menu can be opened by clicking on the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. The options listed in this menu may vary depending on your platform usage plan. It includes the main functionalities of the platform, such as account, access to information about your account, such as name, profile, educational institution, time zone, and language. Professors. Option used for users with an administrator profile on the beecrowd platform to control access for professors of an educational institution, valid only for beecrowd institutional plans. Disciplines. Here you can create disciplines, exercise lists, programming contests, and assign these activities to your students. Customized problems. Session used for you to exercise your creativity and create new, customized coding challenges tailored to your needs so that you can later use them in your courses. Public problems. By clicking on this option, you will be directed to the public problems screen of the beecrowd talent platform. There, you can browse the repository with over 2,500 available programming challenges that can be freely used in your courses. Manage your subscription. Option used for you to control your current subscription plan, from the free plan to the more advanced individual or institutional plans. Feedbacks. Area used for you to send suggestions for platform improvements, ideas for new features, or to report errors found. beecrowd Talent. Access to the students area. Talent platform, beecrowd Talent. All professors who are users of beecrowd Academic, upon creating their account on the platform, also gain access to the talent platform and can log in using the same username and password initially created for beecrowd Academic. Tutorial. Access to the beecrowd academic tutorial with educational videos on how to use the platform. Updates. In this section, we regularly post releases made on the platform, showing the new features available as well as the bugs fixed. Sign out. Option used to log out of the platform. Area 3. Footer. Bottom of the screen. In the footer, you will find useful links such as privacy, access to beecrowd's privacy policy, where we explain how we handle your information, as well as that of students and all platform users. Terms and conditions. Our terms and conditions of use, where we outline the general conditions governing the use of the services offered by beecrowd. Tutorial. Access to the beecrowd academic tutorial with educational videos on how to use the platform. Status. Shows the status of beecrowd platforms, indicating whether they are functioning normally, displaying scheduled and completed maintenance. Contact. Used for you to send suggestions for platform improvements, ideas for new features, or to report any errors found. Area 4, Accessibility Icon, bottom right corner. beecrowd is committed to making our products as inclusive as possible. By clicking on this icon, you can, for example, change the screen contrast, highlight links, increase font size, adjust text spacing, hide images, change cursor size, and many other options that help people with visual impairments use the platform more comfortably. We hope this video has helped you understand the basic navigation of beecrowd Academic. Be sure to watch our other tutorials, which explain each feature of the platform in detail. See you later.